Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. It's going to be a little bit tricky today because we are on the last day of our month. So our last square is going to be in our corner, but we still have one more day and we didn't have another row to continue it. So it's a little bit tricky time in the month. Sometimes our month will begin near the beginning here, and then we have enough squares on our calendar for all of the days. But sometimes our days start at the end of this chart, and then we run out of room here, so we need one more square for today. And normally what we would do is go down and go back to the beginning. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to take my marker and I'm just going to make a line here. It's a little bit smaller than I would like to have it, but that's okay. We're just going to do it for one day out of the month. And we're going to start by putting our shape in here. Now, do you know which shape was our last day? I already pointed it out. Did you remember? The purple triangle. So if yesterday was Saturday, the purple triangle, what do you think today will be? Remember, it's not this top part of the square, it's down here. What do you think it will be? Let's start at the beginning and see if your guess is correct. Are you ready? Orange circle, purple triangle, 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 orange circle. Did you guess orange circle? Let's put a circle in here. Can you draw an orange circle on your calendar? Or if you don't have a calendar or paper to draw it on, can you draw an orange circle in the sky? Start at the top, go around and come back up to the top. So we'll put our orange circle in there. And so that means that today is Sunday. So what else do we need to put in our square here? It actually looks like a rectangle, but what would we need to put in here so that it looks like the other squares in the chart? Did you guess a number? That's right. So we need a number here. And this was yesterday. So what was the number there? 30. That's right. So what do you think today's number is? If yesterday was 30, what do you think today is? Good guess. Let's see if you're correct. Let's go to the beginning and we will count all of our numbers up together. And it's okay if you don't know them all yet. We'll practice together. Say them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Did you guess 31? Did you know there was 31 days in a month? Some of the months have 31 days. So let's put a 3 and a 1 for 31. Can you count backwards with me? It's okay if you don't know how to count backwards yet. We'll practice together and we'll get really good together, okay? Are you ready? 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Good job trying to count with me. You did wonderful. So let's see, today is Sunday. Do you remember how many days are in the week? Good guess. Should we see if we're right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. So today is Sunday. Yesterday was Saturday, and we're at the end of the calendar, so we'll come back to the beginning. So today is Sunday, and tomorrow will be Monday. So today is Sunday. Let's put that into our sentence, and our sentence begins with today is. And today is a capital letter because it is the first word in our sentence. So today is Sunday. So Sunday is spelled capital S-U-N-D-A-Y, and then a comma. And next we're going to put in the month of the year. And do you remember how many months are in the year? I love your good guesses. Let's count together and see if we're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months. Do you remember how to say the months? Let's see if we can remember all of their names. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. So our month is the first month of the year, which is January. So we have it at the top of our calendar, and it's spelled capital J, like jam or jelly, January, January. So let's put that into our sentence. Today is Sunday, comma, January, with a capital J, because it's the name of the month. So capital J, A-N-U, A-R-Y. And then we're going to put in the number, which is a 31, a 3 and a 1, comma. And then we're going to put in the year, 2021. 2021, period. And that period means stop. We're not going to say anything more after that period. And then these commas mean we're just going to pause for a second. So let's say our sentence together, and don't forget to pause when you see the comma. Today is Sunday, January 31st, 2021. Did you catch that? I said 31st. Because when we put our numbers into the calendar, we add a little sound to the end of them. And we did 29th, 30th, but when we get to 31, we say 31st. Can you do that? 31st. So let's say our sentence together again. Today is Sunday, January 31st, 2021. Good job. Thank you for helping me figure out what day it was today. You did a great job on the calendar. Now let's see if we know what our weather is like. Do you know what the weather is like where you are? Did you peek outside the window, or maybe you went outside before we got together? Did you see the sun shining? I didn't see the sun shining where I live, but it might be shining where you are. There's no sun shining today. What about snowing? You know what? It is snowing where I live today. So I'm going to put that on my weather chart here. But let's see what's happening at your home. Is it partly cloudy, partly sunny? Maybe the sun is out and the clouds just cover the sun every once in a while so you can't see it. Or is it windy? What about raining? Is it raining where you are? Maybe there's no water coming down, but maybe there's clouds in the sky. What is it like for you today? Will you help me put my weather on the chart here? We have a snowy day, and our weather chart starts with the sun, but it's not sunny, so we won't do that one. A cloud? Well, the snow falls from the cloud, but it's not just cloudy, it's snowing, so we're not going to do that one. And this cloud has rain falling from it, but it's not raining today. There's a snowflake. So that's our snowy day. Will you help me put a tally mark in that row? Can you start with your finger up to the sky and strike it down? Good job. Let's do it together as I strike it down on here. Ready? Woo! There we go. So we already had a group of tally marks. And do you remember what that is? That's right. It's a 5. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the slash across means 5. So just by looking at this grouping of it, we know that that's 5. 5 plus 1 equals what? Do you know? Let's count them all up to see if we're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you guess 6? We've had 6 snowy days in January. 6 snowy days. Wonderful. I do like the snow. So let's see. We'll look at our agenda. And yesterday was Saturday, and I went ice skating, and I did go ice skating. That was my plan, and I did do that in the afternoon. So today is Sunday, so I'm going to start by printing Sunday, capital S-U-N-D-A-Y, comma, and then January with a capital J because it's the name of the month, capital J-A-N-U-A-R-Y, and it's the 31st. I'm going to put a 31, comma, and then I'm going to put the year, 2021. Then I want to practice my numbers all the way up to 31. And so you can print them on your paper along with me, or you can just say the numbers with me if you don't have a paper and you just want to practice saying the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I ran out of space. I'm going to come down to the bottom. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I ran out of space. I'm going to go down and come back over here. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Whew, that was a lot of numbers to print out, but we did it. So now it is snowing, so I'm going to draw a snowflake. Do you ever draw snowflakes? They're fun to draw because no two snowflakes are ever alike. So you can draw your snowflake to look like whatever you want, and it will be correct. So today, because it's snowing outside, I'm going to make some snowflakes. And I'm going to make them out of paper, but I'm going to make them out of special colored paper. So it'll be nice and fun to check those out. So I'm going to get my scissors, and my scissors start like this with some pointy parts and then some handles. Do those look like scissors to you? That's my drawing of scissors. And then I'm just going to take a piece of paper and cut it out, and I'll cut out some circles and maybe some triangle diamond shapes. Have you ever cut out a snowflake out of paper before? It can be lots of fun. That's what I'm going to do today, and I will make a video of it so that you can see what I've done and you can try it at home as well. So then I'm going to print my name so I practice every day and get really good at it. Capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. And so if you don't know all your letters yet to make all the words, you can practice individual letters. Whoops. And today I'm not just going to do one individual letter because we have been working really hard all month and we have been practicing different letters every day. And so we are going to start with the J. Do you remember practicing the J with me? And then we practiced an A. And then we practiced an N. And then we practiced the U. And then we practiced the A. Whoop, my paper might not stick. Let's see if it'll stay up there. Then we practiced an R. And then we practiced the Y. So it's okay if you didn't practice every letter with us this month. Sometimes we're busy and we don't get to do our calendar together. But if you practiced all of these letters throughout the month with us, you now know how to spell January. January. Just a little bit of practicing of all the letters within the word. And now you can spell an entire word, January. So we can spell January together. January spells January. January spells January. So now you know how to spell January. You can practice spelling January. Today is the last day that we were going to be doing January together as a group because next month is February. So we're going to be doing a whole new month next day. And that's exciting. February has a very special day in it. Do you know what it is? I'm going to keep it a secret for now, but it'll be a surprise if you don't know. So yesterday I was pretty happy that we spelled January together. So that was really nice. I'm still feeling a little bit happy. Let's see if I'm feeling anything else. Nervous or shy? Are you nervous or shy today? Timid? Timid is kind of like shy. I don't think I'm nervous today. What about angry? Are you angry today or grouchy? Miserable? Maybe irritated? I think I'm feeling not irritated today. What about sad? Lonely? I'm feeling okay. I don't think I feel lonely or sad. It's okay if you feel lonely or sad. All of these feelings are okay to have. What about content? I'm just okay. I don't have anything that I want to complain about. I'm not sad. I'm not really happy either. I'm just okay. I'm just content. I think I am content today. We got all of our calendar done for all of January. We did an agenda every day and we practiced our letters and our words and our numbers. We had a big month practicing lots of things. We also did lots of practicing being kind. And so today I'm still going to be kind. Did you practice being kind yesterday? I think today I am going to help my grown-up clean up whatever they need to clean up. Maybe they need to clean up the shoes by the door or the dishes, or maybe I could clean my room. I bet they would really enjoy it if I cleaned my room. Can you think of something that you can help your grown-up clean up? Something that you can tidy up that will help them feel good? That would be a really great thing to do today. Give it a try. So I hope you find something wonderful and kind to do today. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see each other again tomorrow to do the calendar. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.